Hello guys, today itself I actually found out this API which gives you 1 billion tokens per month to call 100 plus AI models, and I recently seen this on producthunt.com. Free LLM API. It's completely completely open source, as you can see, open open AI compatible. I've given the link in the description of the video, so it's directly available on GitHub. It's got almost 5.7 GitHub stars. So you can see it's OpenAI compatible proxy, and it actually calls 14 plus AI providers directly. Someone has made this, you will see that. So one key, it gives you 1 billion free tokens every month, and it's a self-hosted OpenAI compatible proxy. You will see that. So it gives you 1 billion tokens. You can access 60 free tier models on 11 providers. So you can see that it calls these providers Google Gemini, OpenRouter, Cerebus, Grok, Cloudflare, GitHub models. So now to get started, it's very simple. You can directly run this inside your system. So step by step instructions are given. So first of all, you clone the so GitHub repo wherever you are developing this. So so you simply clone this. You will see that. So you simply go to the folder. Open it inside VS Code. So I've given the link in the description of the video. So once it opens, so you need to open this .env file first of all. So just rename this to .env. Some information is in the port number on which it will be running. So by default, it will be 3001. Encryption key for you can generate an encryption key right here, 64. So I will just make use of AI right here. These are the steps you need to take before running this application. So generate. So now it will generate this. So I will simply copy this. So after doing this step, you will actually see the next step that you need to do. So npm install, npm run dev. So first of all, you need to install all the dependencies which are there. So npm I. So you should have Node.js installed directly inside your machine to host this API. So all the modules which are available directly right here, which will be installed right here. So this is a full stack coding applications. You will see that all the files are coded directly inside TypeScript. This is the client side right here. You will see that it's developed in React.js. So it will take some time. So just install the dependencies, simply run the server npm run dev. This will start this inside HTTP localhost 3001. Then you need to paste the keys in the UI. Directly go to each provider, simply get your API key from Gemini, OpenRouter, Grok. So I have tried this by myself, and it actually works. It gives you 1 billion tokens per month through all these providers, 14 plus providers. So it's completely free and unlimited, no credit card required. As you can see that here, self-serve API, completely open source. Check out the source code as well. So So once it get installed, you will get a notification. So just wait for the dependencies to install it. So you can see it created this node modules folder. So after that, you simply type npm run dev. This will start the development server right here. Concurrently, it will start the server and the client together, and it will give you this port number 3001. So you can see it started this server is running on this one and the client is running on this one. So directly open this localhost database is also initialized as you can see right here. So now the playground will get started. You will see that. So right here you send out a message inside the chat prompt. So first of all, you need to go to the keys section right here and directly your unified API key. You need to select the provider. Various providers are there. You will see that Google AI Studio, Grok, Cerebus, GitHub Models, Open Router, Cloudflare. So go to each provider, get your own API key, configure it, Google AI Studio. Simply paste your API key. So it's very easy. So let me just show you an example right here how to get started. So as you all know, Google AI Studio does provide you with an API key, a free API key. Go to API key section, simply create a API key. So as you paste it, click on add key. And similarly, you can go to other providers. So inside Open Router, so the configuration part is very simple. You paste your API key. So definitely check this out. This is your playground section. My internet is not working, that's why it's creating this problem, slash API settings. So in your case, your internet will be working, so you will not be getting this error. So the steps that I showed you step by step, these are the steps. So just configure these API keys and then you can use it for completely free and unlimited. But 1,000 1 billion tokens it provides you as it seen right here, as you can see right here.